Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to do affiliate marketing for beginners in 2023. So if you are a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business, then watch this video till the end. And yes, if you are a beginner and want to know how to make $1,000 per month affiliate marketing business, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook where you can learn everything about affiliate marketing. So down below there is a link, go and check out, right? So now here, without a delay, let me show you how to do affiliate marketing for beginners in 2023. Actually, this is a post that I have posted in a Facebook group. You can see that affiliate marketing for beginners, learn how to make money online. So in this post, I have revealed the steps that you have to take to start your affiliate marketing business. So I'm gonna show you all the steps that you have to take, right? So now you can see that. So here, before starting any affiliate marketing business, what's your first step? First step is that I always say focus on one thing. This is very important. So here, what you have to do, pick one problem that you want to solve in the market. Yes, this is very important. Understand this. When somebody who's new, they try to solve so many problems. So here I would say pick one problem that you want to solve in the market. So you can see there are problems like how to start online business selling digital product or physical product through sales funnel, or how to do affiliate marketing selling affiliate product through sales funnel. So this is one of the problem that I'm going to solve in the market. And yes, there are people who search on YouTube like how to start affiliate marketing so that they can make money, how to make money online during affiliate marketing. So this is the problem that I want to solve in the market, right? So pick one problem that you want to solve in the market. Then second thing, pick one affiliate product that solves that very problem and pay you high ticket commission up to 1k to 5k or more. Yes, once you know, okay, this is the problem that I'm going to solve in the market, then your next thing is that pick one affiliate product through which you are going to solve the problem in the market. And yes, you also need to see that yes, the product that you are going to promote, it must pay you high ticket commission up to 1k to 5k, right? Now third one, pick one sales system so you can promote affiliate product offering bonuses. So here I would say you have to create one sales system having landing page and bridge page. Landing page where you offer any lead magnet for free so that you can build your email list, and thank you page or bridge page where you offer your affiliate offer, right? So that you have to create. Now next one is pick one traffic source and master it. Yes, so this is your fourth step that you have to take. I see that somebody who's new, they try to learn every traffic source, and here I would say if you do that, then you will be overwhelmed with so much information. So I would say pick one traffic source and master it. So in our case it can be Facebook organic. So whatever you can learn about Facebook, go and learn it. If there is any training, if there is any webinar, if there is any book, go and learn about Facebook organic traffic, right? So these are the main four steps that you have to take to start your affiliate marketing business, right? Now your next step, start publishing content daily, solving the problems of your ideal prospect. Guys, here I would say if you publish content on your profile daily, at least for 365 days, then all of your money problems will be gone. Yes, when I heard about this from Russell Brunson, I was skeptic. But anyhow, without giving it a second thought, I started publishing on my Facebook profile, and I can say from my personal experience that yes, if you do that, then definitely you will start making money and all of your money problems will be gone if you do that, right? So yes, publish content daily on your Facebook profile. Now next one is show up daily and show up early. Yes, this thing I learned from Grant Cardone. So yes, you have to show up daily and show up early in your affiliate marketing business. And yes, focus on building a relationship and providing value first. Yes, this business is all about building relationship and providing value. You get paid in the market for the value that you provide in the market. So yes, you have to build relationship giving value. And yeah, this is very, very important. I see that there are people, especially those who are new, they think that yes, in this affiliate marketing business they can make money within a week, within 1 month or 2 months. And I must tell you from my personal experience, this is not possible. This is not possible. So here there is no overnight success, there is no get rich quick scheme. So here you have to have patience, you have to do whatever it takes to do, taking massive actions, and you have to do whatever you are supposed to do on daily basis. So normally it takes 6 to 12 months time to see consistent results, right? So come up with this mindset. And finally, yes, believe in yourself, believe in the process, and believe in affiliate marketing business. Trust the process. This is the blunder mistake that I was doing when I started my affiliate marketing business. I wasn't believing in me, I wasn't believing in affiliate marketing business. Somewhere whatever I was doing, it was with a doubtful mindset. I was like, whether it's gonna work or not. So because of this, I wasn't getting any results. But when I started believing in me, when I started believing in my affiliate marketing business, everything changed. I started getting results. So this is what you have to do, guys, right? So yes, let me recap. Pick one problem, pick one affiliate product, pick one sales system, pick one traffic source and master it. Don't try to learn every traffic source. Publish content daily, solving the problems of your ideal prospect. Show up daily, show up early. Focus on building relationship and providing value first. Give at least 6 to 12 months time in your affiliate marketing business, right? Believe in yourself and believe in the process. Believe in affiliate marketing and trust the process. And yes, some of the other things that you have to focus on, that never ever doubt about affiliate marketing. Yes, this is very, very important. When I started my affiliate marketing business, whatever I was doing with a doubtful mindset. So never ever doubt about affiliate marketing, because it's a real business, right? So whatever you do it with a trust. Now next thing, don't jump on one shiny object to another. Yes, this is another thing that I was doing when I started my affiliate marketing business, and this was my blunder mistake that I was doing. I was jumping on one shiny object to another shiny object, one program to another, one product to another, and that was my blunder mistake that I was doing. And because of this, I wasn't getting any results in my affiliate marketing business. So here I would say, if you are really, really serious, then don't jump on one shiny object to another, one product to another. Just focus on one product to promote, right? Now other thing is, don't dabble. Yes, this is very, very important, right? And yes, this is very, very important. Don't compare yourself with other people results. Yes, same thing, I was comparing myself with other people results. I was like, why I'm not getting results? Why other people are getting results? I'm doing the same thing and they are doing the same thing, but here point is, they are getting results but I'm not getting results. And because of this, I was frustrated, I was depressed. So I would say, never ever compare yourself with other people results. Just focus on you and your results, right? And your journey. Other thing is, don't spam in the messenger or group with your ugly looking or long looking affiliate link. Yes, this is another thing that you have to focus on, that never ever pitch your affiliate link in the messenger or in the group. This is not the right practice. I see that somebody who's new, they are in the habit of doing this. They think that yes, they will whenever someone accept their request or they become friend with someone, they immediately go in the messenger and start spamming. Come on guys, this is not the right way. This is not the right way. So don't do that. And same thing, whenever you are accepted to any group, don't put your long looking or ugly looking affiliate link. This is not the right way. Understand this. This business is all about relationship, value, right? So first provide value, build relationship, and when you do that, definitely people will approach to you and they will ask for your link, right? So don't do that. Don't spam in the messenger as well as in the group. And yes, don't pitch in the first message or first meeting without the permission of your ideal prospect. Yes, if they ask you, hey, give me your link, only then you go and give your affiliate link. Otherwise, never ever promote your affiliate link. Never ever, you can say, spam your affiliate link, right? Without their permission. Don't look for free thing, very frankly. Yes, here I would say, if you are really serious about doing affiliate marketing, then don't look for free thing. I can say from my personal experience that there is no such thing that comes for free in our online industry. Sooner or later you have to pay. So why don't you invest in yourself today as well as in your affiliate marketing business? So don't look for free thing. I wasted my 2 years looking everything for free. So don't be that guy, right? Now further, I would say you have to understand from the core person of your heart is that nobody gonna buy from you unless they know you, like you, and trust you, and feel relatable to you. So you have to keep that in mind, right? Nobody gonna buy from you unless they know you, like you, trust you, and feel relatable to you. So how you do that? You let them know you, like you, trust you, and feel relatable to you through your valuable content, through your help, through your support, through your journey, right? So understand this, right? Further, I would say understand this. There is no overnight success. There is no get rich scheme, as affiliate marketing business is a real business, right? Here it takes time to see results. So you have to have a patience, right? And finally, very important, if you really want to get fast results in your affiliate marketing business, then I would highly recommend you go and hire a mentor, go and hire a coach, so that you can get proper guidance, proper support, proper help, because your mentor is someone who has done everything. He has done every trial, every error, every mistakes, and after spending his precious time and money, he knows what works and what doesn't. So whatever he will teach you, that will be scientifically proven to work. So yes, if you are really serious, then go and hire a mentor. So overall idea is that go and hire a mentor. Your mentor will save your precious time and precious money if you really want to get results in your affiliate marketing business, right? So these are the points that you have to keep in your mind when you are going to start your affiliate marketing business, right? So that's it for today. And yes, if you have any questions, go and ask your question. I will try my level best to help you. I will try my level best to answer you. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel. Down below there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.